Introduction and History. Is invention an act of luck or an exact science? For decades, we believed that creativity was a random lightning strike. But in 1946, in the Soviet Union, a patent engineer named Genrich Altshuller discovered something fascinating. After analyzing over 200,000 patents, Altshuller realized that inventive problems, regardless of the industry, are solved using a limited set of universal principles. Thus was born TRIZ, the theory of inventive problem solving. Today, we present our free digital TRIZ tool, an all-in-one platform that digitizes Altschuller's genius, guiding you step by step from confusion to the innovative solution. Let's see how it works. Step 1. LDST analysis, laws of development. Upon opening the tool, the first thing we find is the Start and Info tab, where you can upload examples or start from scratch. But the magic begins in Step 1. The LDST analysis, laws of development of technical systems. Technical systems do not evolve randomly. They follow predictable laws, much like biology. In this section, you select the life cycle stage of your system. Is it in birth, growth, maturity, or decline? Based on your selection, the tool will reveal which evolutionary laws apply to your case. For example, if your system is in maturity, the tool will suggest focusing on simplification and integration, strategically preparing you before attempting to solve anything. Steps 2 and 3, definition and the ideal final result. With a clear strategy, we move to the Define Problem tab. Here, the tool forces you to be specific. What is the system? What is its useful function? And most importantly, what is the main harm or inconvenience? Immediately, we move to Step 3, formulating the IFR or ideal final result. This is a powerful psychological concept in TRIZ. Instead of looking for patches, the tool asks you to imagine a solution where the system repairs itself with no cost or external harm. Defining this breaks mental inertia and prepares your brain for radical solutions. Step 4, the Contradiction Matrix. Now we arrive at the heart of the TRIZ engine, the Contradiction tab. This is where most innovators get stuck, but where this tool shines. You must choose between two paths. First, the technical contradiction. This occurs when improving one thing, like speed, worsens another, like safety. The tool digitizes the famous Altschuller's matrix. You simply select what improves and what worsens, and the algorithm cross-references the data to give you the exact inventive principles that have resolved this conflict in thousands of previous patents. Second, the physical contradiction. This is when a single characteristic must have two opposite states simultaneously. For example, the coffee must be hot to drink, but cold so as not to burn the hand. Here, the tool guides you through separation strategies in space, time, or condition to resolve the paradox. Step 5, field analysis, substance field. If your problem is more complex and involves inefficient interactions, tab 5, field analysis, is your ally. TRIZ models systems as a triangle, two substances and one energy field. In this section, you can graphically model your problem. Is an interaction missing? Is it harmful? Is it excessive? By selecting the type of interaction, the tool automatically consults the 76 standard solutions and suggests how to introduce new fields or substances to stabilize the system, all visualized in clear diagrams. Step 6, solve and report. Finally, all the work converges in the Solve and Report tab. With a single click on Solve Problem, the tool aggregates data from the LDST analysis, your definitions, the principles from the Contradiction Matrix, and the field solutions. It generates a comprehensive report that gives you not just one answer, but a range of paths for innovation. And the best part, you can export everything to Excel to present to your team. Innovation is no longer luck. It is a systematic process. And with this TRIZ tool, the solution to your next big challenge is just a few clicks away.